Good morning, all of you. Today our topic is matrices and subtopic is problems on algebra of matrices. Now we go to the objectives. Solve the problems on algebra of matrices. We go to the first problem. If A is equal 0, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 4 and B is equal 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, then find 2A plus 3B. Here given A is equal 0, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 4 and B is equal 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Then 2A. 2A, how can we find the 2A? Here the A matrix is given. Now we multiply 2 with A. Then write and multiply 3 with B. We get what? You see here? 2A means 0, 2, 4, 2 minus 6, 8. We multiply with 2. And 3B is 0, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6. That means what? 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 2, 6. Now we write 2A plus 3B. We get 2A means 0, 2, 4, 2 minus 2, 8. And 3B is 0, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6. Now we find what? 2A plus 3B. Then we get 2A plus 3B. Here two matrices are add. We get the result is 0 plus 0 and 2 plus 6 and 4 plus 3. 2 plus 12 and minus 6 plus 9, 8 plus 6. We get 0, 8, 7, 14, 3, 14. Now we go to the next problem, problem number 2. If A is equal 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 1, 6, 1 and B is equal 2, 0, 2, minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 2, 4, then we find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3B minus 2X is equal to 0. Here we find the value of X. Already is given A and B. A is given 131254161 and B is given 20201 minus 2150 minus 24. Then find again 2A. How can we find the 2A? 2 into A. 2 into A means 2 into A. A value is given 131. 2 into A means 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 8, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 1 2. And again we find here the value is 3B. 3B how can we find? We know that B value is what? This is 202 minus 2150 minus 24. 3 into 2 6, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6, 3 into minus 2 6, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 0 0, 3 into minus 2 6, 3 into 4 12. Here 2A plus 3B minus 2X is equal to, we have to equating 0. Then find the 2X is equal to 2A plus 3B. Here what we have to find? The value of X. That means 2X is equal, we write 2A value is what? 2, 6, 2, 4, 10, 8, 2, 12, 2 and 3B is what? 6, 0, 6 minus 6, 3, 15, 0 minus 6, 12. Now we write, we have to add the two matrices 2 plus 6 what? 2 plus 6 and 6 plus 0 and 2 plus 6 and 4 minus 6 and 10 plus 3 8 plus 15 2 plus 0 and 12 minus 6 and 2 plus 12. We get the result is what? 8, 6, 8 minus 2, 13, 23, 2, 6, 14. Now we find the value is what? X only. But we get 2x is equal this matrix. Now we find x. X is equal 1 by 2 of the remaining this matrix. Then 8, 6, 8 minus 2, 13, 23, 2, 6, 14. And each element we have to divide it by 2. We get the result is 4, 3, 4 minus 1 and 13 by 2 and 23 divided by 2, 1 and 2 divided by 2 we get 1, and again we result 6 by 2, 3 and 14 by 2 we get 7. This is the value of x. Here the problem number 3. Here we given Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and milk in liters, curd in kgs. Here Monday, how many liters are there? 2 and curd 3 kgs. Tuesday 4 and curd 2. Wednesday milk 6 and curd is 1 liter, 1 kgs. Now we write cost in rupees. Here given milk per liter 15 rupees, curd per kgs 10. Here Mr. John buys milk and curd on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday as follows. Find the total amount Mr. John spent on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. What we have to find? Find the total amount of Mr. John spent on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Now we can see the solution. The items Mr. John bought may be put in the form of 3 by 2 matrices. What is the matrices? 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 1. These are total milk. These are total what? Curd. The cost of milk curd per unit may be expressed in the form of 2 by 1 matrix, that is 15 rupees and 10 by 10 rupees. You write here only the one column and 2 rows. So that how to write this one? 2 by 1 matrix. Then the total amount he spent on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. We find here 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 1. This is 3 by 3 matrix. How much of cost here? 4, 15, 10, 15 rupees and 10 rupees. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Now we write multiplication. We can do the multiplication. This first row and first column and second row and 1 column and third row and 1 column. You write here 2 into 15 rupees and 3 plus 3 into 10 rupees. 4 into 15 rupees plus 2 into 10 rupees. 6 into 15 rupees plus 1 into 10 rupees. We write here we get the total 30 plus 30 rupees, 60 plus 20 rupees, 90 plus 10 rupees. We get 60, 80, 100. Therefore, Mr. John spent 60 on Monday. Okay, this is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. Then we say that Mr. John spent 60 rupees on Monday, 80 rupees on Tuesday, and 100 rupees on Wednesday to buy required quantities of milk and curd. Next, we go to the problem number 4. Here the problem number 4 is compute a square minus 3a plus 9i if I is a unit matrix of order 3. Order 3. We know that I is the unit matrix. I means identity matrix. What is the identity matrix of 3 by 3 matrix? That is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here given a is equal 1 minus 2 3 2 3 1 3 minus 3 1 2. Now we find the value. The solution is a is given. We find a is I is what? 1 0 0. Already I told you 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we find a square. Here a square means we write 2 times of the A matrix. Here we know that the first row and first column, and first row second column, and first row third column, second row first, second row second column, second row third column, same as it is the third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. We can do the multiplication, we get the result. We see here, this is the simplification of the problem, and write 1 minus 4 minus 9 minus 2 minus 6 plus 3, 3 minus 2 plus 6, and 2 plus 6 minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 plus 1, 6 plus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 6, 6 plus 3 plus 2 minus 9 plus 1 plus 4. We get the result is minus 9 minus 4 and plus 1, we get minus 12, and the same one minus 5, 7, 5, 6, 11, minus 7, 11, and minus 4. This is the value of A square only. Now we find 3A. How can we find the 3A? Already we know that A matrix is 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 2. Now we multiply this matrix by 3 only. So that we get 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 2, 6. And find out 9i. Already we know that 9 is equal to what? Sorry, I is equal to what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of 3 by 3. Now write 9 into 1. 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 0, 0, 9 into 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. Therefore, the final result we get A square minus 3i plus 9i. We know that A square value and 3a value and 9i value. These three matrices are there. First, these two matrices we have to do the subtraction. Then after that, we add the identity matrix of 9i. Now we write here this value is this corresponding element, subtract this element, this matrix element, and also we have to add the 900090009. We get the final output is minus 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 8, 2, 8, 1. This is the result of the A square minus 3i plus 9i. Next, we go to the problem number 5. Here, find x such that 207 010 121 minus x minus 14x 7x 0 10 x 4x minus 2x is equal to I. But here I means identity matrix. Here we find where I is a unit matrix of order 3. I means unit matrix means you have to write solution. How can we find this one? Given that 2 0 7 0 1 0 and 1 2 1 and minus x 14x 7x and 0 1 0 x 4x minus 2x. We know that identity matrix of 3 by 3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we can do this one, 2 matrix multiplication. We get here minus 2x plus 0 plus 7x, and the same way minus 28x plus 0 plus 28. When we get this total result is equating the identity matrix. Okay, we get the final result is, we see here minus 2x plus 0 plus 7x, 7 minus 2x we get 5x, and minus 28x plus 28x will be cancel. The remaining element is 0. Here also the same, 14x minus 40x get cancelled. The remaining value is 0. Here also the second row 0, and third, and the same way 1, and the third column of the second row 0, and the same way the third row of the first column we write here 0, and minus 14x plus 2 plus 4x we get minus 10x plus 2, and also 7x minus 2x we get 5x is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now equating these values, the corresponding elements. Here, what we have to find out in this problem, only the value of x, so that we have to equating these two matrix. In the place of 5x is equal to 1. In the place of 5x is equal to 1, same as it is minus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Right here, therefore 5x equal to 1 and minus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. Now this implies we write x is equal to what? 1 divided by 5. Okay, next we go to the problem number 6. Here, if a is equal 1 3 0 minus 1 2 comma minus 1 2 1 0 0 2 and b is equal 2 3 4 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2, find ab and ba, and hence show that ab is not equal to ba. Given a is equal to what? 1 3 0 minus 1 2 1 and 0 0 2, and b also given 2 3 4 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2. Therefore we find out a b value. How can we find the a b values? We know that multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, we know that how to do the process of the multiplication. We get 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 minus 0, and the remaining 3 plus 6 plus 0, 4 plus 9 plus 0, and minus 2 plus 2 minus 1, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 6 plus 2, 0 0 minus 2, 0 0 plus 2, 0 0 4. We get the result of AB is 5 9 13 minus 1 2 4 minus 2 2 4. Next we find the value of BA. We know that B already is given and A also already given. Now we find what? B into A. The same procedure of the multiplication of the two matrices. We get the result 2 minus 3 plus 0, 6 plus 6 plus 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 8, 1 minus 2 plus 0, 3 plus 4 plus 0, 0 plus 2 plus 6, and minus 1 plus 0, minus 3 plus 2 plus 0, 0 plus 1 plus 4. We get the BA value is what? Minus 1, 12, 11, minus 1, 7, 8, minus 2, minus 1, 5. Therefore, what is the final result? AB is not equal to BA, because the AB is the result is different and BA result is different. So that the conclusion is what? Therefore, AB is not equal to BA. Okay, now we go to the summary. Solving the problems on algebra of matrices. Here we discuss the algebra of the matrices problem. That means what? How can we find the value of x? Then how can we find the a value? And how can we find the b value? How can we find the a square value? And how can we find the 3a value and 9i value? Then how can we find the a square minus 3a plus 9i? Okay. The next we go to the quiz. Here, the first problem is given. If A is equal 1 minus 3, 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 3, and B is given 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 4, 1 minus 2, 3, then A plus B is equal to what? Here what we have to do? Only we can do the addition of the 3 by 3 matrices. Just we add these two matrices. 1 plus 2 is equal to what? We get what is the result? The A option is right answer. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, minus 3 minus 2 equal to minus 5, 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Next problem. Okay, if A is equal 300, 030, 003, then find the value of A square. A square. A square means we have to write A into A. Here 2 we have to multiplication of the matrix A into A. Then write here 300 030 into 300 030 We get what is the answer? We write here 900 090 009. Just we can do the multiplication of the matrix. Next, we go to the assignment. Here, the first problem is given 1. If A equal to y minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, minus 3, and B is given 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2, and C is given minus 2, minus 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, then prove that A of B plus C is equal AB plus AC. The second problem, if A is equal 4, 2, 6, 1, minus 4, 5, 2, 3, 7, and B is equal 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, then find the matrix X such that A plus B plus X equal to 0. You see here, A plus B plus X equal to 0. First we can do this one. A plus B is equal to minus X. Then A plus B means these two matrices we have to add. Then after that find the value of X. The before problem is what? Just we can do the multiplication only. We see here B plus C. Just we add these two matrices. Then after that get the result. We multiply with A. That is equal AB plus AC. Then find the AB value. These two matrix addition. Sorry, these two matrices we can do the multiplication plus, and A, C also we can do the multiplication. Both are added. Then that value is equal to the A of B plus C. Okay. Now this one is we find the X value. First two matrices we added. Then after that find the value of X. The third problem. If A is equal to 3, 1, 0, 5, minus 6, 2, 4, 2, and B is equal minus 2, 6, minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 6, 1, 0, then find AB and BA, and hence show that AB is not equal to BA. Already we do this type of problem. Okay, how can we do this one? First we find the AB. AB means we do this two matrices multiplication, A into B. Then after that B into A into B and B into A. We find the value of AB is a different and BA also different. So that the conclusion is what? AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Thank you. Thank you very much.